Hi, this is Retha Off-Grid, and today I am going to be changing out my bike stem. I want it taller, and we are doing this on my 52 volt Aerial Rider X Class. And let me turn this around and show you what this looks like. This is the stock stem that comes on it. You can see it is adjustable a little bit, but I either needed to get taller handlebars or I needed to get a taller stem. So this is what I got. This is by, I don't know if I can pronounce this, Gewage, whatever it is. I'm hoping that it'll work for me. So I'm gonna get some tools and I'm gonna get after it. Okay, I have an extreme case of I don't know what I'm doing, but I've watched a couple of videos and I know that I have to take this off first, so let me do that real quick. One-handed. I'm gonna come right back when I get this done. Okay, the handlebar is loose and it's hanging down. That and everything I took off of there. Alright, next is this. Pop this little cap off. You can hear my husband up on the roof. He's working, doing things. So, loosen this up. This is the scary part. All right, that's off. Take this off. Now, to undo these, I have to get a different tool. I'll be right back. Okay, since I had the right tool. So loosen this side. And then we loosen this side. Hard to do one-handed. All right. Now this part comes off. There it is. All right. Now, okay. So this fits on here like that. And then this is going to go down in this hole. And we tighten up this screw right here. See if I can do that on camera. I may have to stop and set this down a little bit because it's starting to get in the way. Okay, I have it on there and I am tightening it up. Make sure this is straight with my bike wheel. What is this? Tighten it. You see that yellow because of my shirt. Pick up some of this stuff over here so it doesn't end up on the ground like this one did. Okay, I'm gonna back my bike up just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna have to tighten that a whole lot more. Now, let's get tightening. Okay, see, that is loose because it needs to be tightened here. Let me check. This feels pretty good. Get this lined up, looks good. We will tighten these guys up now. I'm gonna be so excited to have my handlebars up a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna raise this up. I'm gonna loosen this up just a little bit. We'll bring that all the way up. Give that a tighten. All right. Now, loosen these up in an X pattern. I believe this is 30.1 millimeter or 31 millimeter for the handlebar, so it should just fit. I'm hoping that the length is not too high. I don't think it's going to be though. So I'm gonna finish doing this, put my handlebars on, I'll be right back. Alright, got it on, don't have it tightened down yet. I did have to stick a tool in between here and spread these out so that these bolts would go all the way through. The screws. But now I'm at the tightening stage. Get this out of my way. This one here seems to be the one that is giving me a hard time going in. Kind of crooked. Let's see what I can do with it. Okay, now this here is the difference. Let me grab my old one and show you how much higher this is. Pretty big difference. Pretty big. Pretty big difference. I just gotta make sure I've got everything clamped down good. Charging my bike, it only needed one more bar to go. But I am pretty darn happy with that. This one will have me sitting a lot more upright. I love it. Aerial Rider. 52 volt. X class. The difference this makes is night and day. This puts my bike handlebars up where I can actually reach them without having to bend too far forward, and I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Awesome. So I'm gonna go take a ride now. You wanna come with me? Come on, let's have some fun.